Boo boo. Hello friends. We should play hide and seek. I think we should play tag. I agree, we should play hide and seek. Alright, we'll play hide and seek. Okay, so who's gonna be the seeker? Who's gonna be the seeker? Me? Okay, so let's vote for who's gonna be seeker, and the person with most votes wins. I vote. Can I vote for myself? No, you can't vote for yourself. Only I and Giraffe, I don't know the name, can vote. I don't know why we're friends and we don't even know each other's names, Lion. Okay. So, I vote for you. Do I have to vote? Yeah, you have to vote. For you. Okay, you wanna vote for him? I don't know, him or her? Yeah, sure. Okay. Why am I falling? Anyways, I wanna vote for the panda. All right. I'm just gonna go in here. Hey, I'm looking. Oh. Wait. I don't understand anymore. So who was seeker again? Me. Okay, I shouldn't be hiding. I shouldn't be. So how many seconds or minutes? 2 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. 1 minute later. 1 minute and 30 seconds, 1 minute and 31 seconds, 1 minute and 42 seconds, 1 minute and 43 seconds, and 1 minute and 34 seconds. 1 minute later. 2 minutes and... Wait. Oh, that's too much. It's time to find them. What? Ready or not? Here I come. Here you are. I found you. I found you too. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of your sounds. I can get out now. Oh. Okay. Anyways, this is too easy for hide and seek, right? Kinda. Let's play tag now. Oh yeah, sure. So we are gonna play tag now, okay? I fit in this place. Yeah. Okay. So who's gonna be the tagger? Who's gonna be the tagger? Yeah, me. I'm gonna be the tagger. Okay. So you have to wait 5 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got you. Why didn't you move? I don't know. Ow! Ouch! Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. So you want to go somewhere else, right? You want to explore. Like, explore the world and, like, go to different countries. I don't think we're going to go to different countries unless, like, we get a chance. Yeah, sure. But do you think we'll get a chance? No. Wait. You're supposed to stand up, right? Oh, sorry. I'm standing up now. Okay, let's go. Man, I fell again. Okay, let's go. Oh, coming. Alright, this is a pretty big place. Do you think it's okay? Yeah, sure. Okay, so now do we play hide and seek, tag, or any other game? Hide and seek. Who's gonna be the seeker? Oh, we fell down again. Why do we keep falling down? I don't know. So who's gonna be seeker again? Maybe seeker. You wanna be seeker? No. You wanna be seeker? Not really. If you don't want to be seeker, I can be seeker though. I want you to be seeker because I asked that question because I don't want to be seeker. Oh, okay. So how many seconds? 40. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. I'm gonna stay here. There's a bunch of things on here. I don't know what they are. I don't really like this place, but I'm gonna hide here. Okay, so it's time now. So I don't know how much time it's gonna be. How much time should I have to find them? Yeah, 2 minutes. One, two. Someone was in here. Oh! Da-da. Da-da-don. Da-da-da-da-don. I found you. I already knew that. Okay. So, let's find Panda. Oh. You wanna find Panda or okay. You're always falling. Do you wanna find Panda or should I? You should. It doesn't look like he's here around. Okay. I'm gonna look around. Not here either. I did not find him. Is he around here? Let me look up. What? I see him. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I found you! Oh my god, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay because I'm Lego. Like, I'm not. Yeah, I'm okay. Because I'm plastic. Okay. Let's go. That was okay. Now I'm just gonna make a hole so that I can live in the hole. Okay. Everyone get up. I'm gonna make a whole home. You're pushing me. Okay, everyone's down now. I finished my home. Oh, good. I'm gonna go in here. I can fit. I'm gonna make the hole bigger. Perfect. Bye. Bye. Someone got rid of my house. What happened? Oh no, my house. Nah, I don't need a house anyway.